Hey, JV here. Thought I would take you for a walk around the retreat center. It's pretty nice. Test out the new GoPro with the big hyper view and see how it works, and also cheat a little bit and use this Sony Alpha one, get some video of the lake for you. So let's go check this out, have some fun. I haven't shown you this in a while, so let's go. This is the backyard of the retreat center. As you can see, we've got a fire pit back here, and that's the view. So let's go ahead and head down the stairs, take you around. We'll get some good views of the lake, show you what's going on. Now what's cool about this is this house used to be part of the old Pine Lake Hotel, and I will tell you a little bit about that as we get down here. And basically this lake, everybody used to come from all over. In the late 1800s, it was a Chautauqua retreat center, and they would come here to come chill at the lake, and they used to go out on these steamships around the lake. So once we get up here, I'll show you this area and we'll do some video so you can kind of see. But you can see as we look back, the sun's back there, but that's the retreat center there. And as we come down here to this is Pine Lake. And we'll get some video from down here. As you can see, this is a spot in the early 1900s that Captain Harding docked his steamboats. Linda and Emerald, his boats were used to give tours of the local lakes. As you can see, we got a pretty big lake here. So like I mentioned, there's a lot of history here. Back in the late 1800s, this is known as the bluff side of Pine Lake, and this is where the Pine Lake Hotel used to reside, up on the top of this hill, and this is where we put together the retreat center. So we'll just walk along here, and you can see it up there, and I actually show you a picture of that tree that's in the picture from the original hotel when they split this off between 5 different homes. Again, we got a little walk down here. There's some cabins down here to the left. As we'll go to the beach, and then we'll go up and I'll show you some real nice views of the lake from this side. Hey guys, so much fun. I hope you're having a blast here as we're going for a walk and you see the lake as we look at Mac's video on the GoPro. How does it look? Pretty cool. Pretty wide angle, isn't it? Pretty wide, isn't that? See how wide that is? I hope you're having a great one, really. And I appreciate you being a part of our community here at YouTube. It's all about the energy. I kind of want to bring you into my world. A little bit of the retreat center here in Indiana. Pretty cool place to just relax and chill. That's what it's about. So, hey, if you love the video, hey, and you want more of these, hit the like button, and I'll do more of ththese videos out here so you can relax and have some fun. And otherwise, we'll see you in the next video. Have a great one. Hey, thanks for watching the video. By the way, if you want to subscribe to our channel, just click subscribe there. And YouTube's going to suggest another video right there. Have a great one, and thanks for being a part of this community.